So here it is, my Audi S4. I bought it almost 18 years ago. Now I need to make the tough decision. What do I do? Do I restore it to the former glory? So yeah, it's kind of dusty now. Mechanically it's kind of okay. I rebuilt my engine. You can see my video up here. Yeah, let's see how the interior looks. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's horrible. It is horrible. Yeah, my mirror is fallen off. The wheel is with mold. I'm missing some trim pieces. The seats needs to be repaired as well. Door cards looks kind of okay. Rare. Oh, there's my interior parts. There's the mirror. Back doors. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's open up this one. What do we have here? Oh, there's all my instruments when I was rebuilding the engine, and some leftover trim pieces and all other small things. So yeah, nothing interesting here. If I recall correctly, about 2 years ago I rebuilt the engine. I actually drove the car here, so it should start. Oh yeah, and by the way, it's manual, so it's not automatic, and the year is 2000, so it's kind of facelift model. I have already installed some RS4 gauge cluster. Let's see, let's open the hood. Oh, it's already open. Let's check the engine bay. Let's open it. Oh my. There we go. And one more time, let's take a look at the engine bay. Relatively nice, just dirty, so thorough cleaning is really needed. Okay, not so bad from here. Oh, I actually have removed one of the terminals from the battery, so battery should be okay. I think it just needs a charge, so that would be my next step. Coolant. Yeah, no coolant leaks. We have coolant in order. Oil. Yeah, there's no oil leaks. Oil is also on the spot. So in theory, technically it should be like really okay, but visually it needs a lot of work. I think let's close it up. Nothing to see here. And let's just jump one more time into the inside of the car. I think the mold is only on the steering wheel. The seats is kind of damaged, yeah, and they need to be repaired, and the headliner is also terrible. Oh yeah, and there's some mold here as well. So, I don't know, what do we think? Do I make this car great again? Should I fix all the defects visually? What's bothering, and change some rims, maybe drop some lowered springs, coilovers, and all that stuff. Let's take a look one more time how she looks. The back and front bumper, and overall it's US style, so I have the small number plate as well. I think it kind of looks neat, better than Euro spec. It still sits on original rims, and those are Avus, I think, and those 70-inch wheels. Let's go to the other side. And original front brake supports and some old Zimmermann front brake discs that should be changed, I think. So that's the car. I guess I need to sit down, crunch some numbers, and decide do I bring it back? It looks cool already, so I bet if I will clean it up, it will really shine. So yeah, I now kind of need to decide what should I do with this one. Should I rebuild it or should I just sell it as is? Because financially, I kind of think it doesn't make sense if I want to sell it. Do I invest some money in visuals or just like sell it as is?